Hey guys, welcome back to Zone 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Mario plus Rabbids Sparks of Hope for the Ryujinx emulator, mainly because Yuzu just didn't cut it whatsoever. So here we are testing it on Ryujinx with the AMD. I imagine it's because of my AMD RX-570. It kind of always is. So we're using it here on Ryujinx, which actually runs. We have some issues, but from what I've seen on YouTube, this isn't the worst one. This is very CPU demanding. As you can see, my CPU is already in the 70%. Not great. But hey, it's running. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I find ways to get games running on systems. Like I said, didn't run on Yuzu. I ran with the i7 4790 with the AMD RX-570 40GB VRAM graphics card and 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory. Yeah, CPU is very CPU demanding. This doesn't happen very often for me. But here it is. I'm Mario now. And it's running. To be fair, it's running way better than I expected it to. Right off the jump. But there's not much for me to talk about here. I just wanted to point out and show you guys, because I don't see any videos on YouTube about AMD users testing this out. I just wanted to show that it does run on AMD, but you gotta use the Ryujinx apparently. Yuzu doesn't seem to work for me. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time. I'm just gonna mute myself now. Enjoy the gameplay.
Perfect fit. Haha, perfect fit. Hmm? Haha, perfect fit. Haha, perfect fit.